I yield myself the remaining time.
The gentleman's recognized.
Madam Speaker, as I said previously, S. 1942, the National Heritage Area Act, should have been able to pass under suspension. It passed under a UC in the Senate. It's a straightforward bill. But the bottom line is that non-controversial, bipartisan, bicameral bills that are brought under suspension oftentimes get defeated because my friends on the other side are engaged in some sort of a tantrum. We have just witnessed on the floor a series of suspensions that will get overwhelming support where members of their Freedom Caucus are demanding votes where bills will pass either unanimously or maybe two contrarians on their side will vote no. A total waste of time. So yeah, we are bringing this National Heritage Area Act to the floor under a rule because it's important and we want to get it passed. You know, and so that is why we are utilizing this process. And on H.R. 9640, the Presidential Tax Filing and Audit Transparency Act, this is about codifying something that, frankly, we all thought was happening already, the mandatory audit of presidential taxes. The President of the United States is the leader of the free world, the most powerful person on this planet. The people of this country deserve to know what's in his or her taxes. If you don't want people to know what's in your taxes, it's simple. Don't run for president. This isn't about party politics. It isn't about Democrats versus Republicans. And it isn't about Donald Trump. In fact, the only person who would be audited as a result of this bill would be Joe Biden. Unless, of course, my colleagues plan to use their new majority to once again try to overturn the 2020 election and reinstate Donald Trump. This is about upholding the simple idea that no person is above the law and that the American people have a right to know whether or not their leaders are telling the truth on their taxes. And so I urge my colleagues to vote yes on this rule and on the underlying bills, and I ask for a yes vote on the rule in the previous question. I yield back the balance of my time, and I move the previous question on the resolution.